Are you noticing that the Face ID on your iPhone is taking longer than usual to unlock? It can be frustrating, but don't worry, this problem can usually be fixed. Delays with Face ID can happen due to software glitches, incorrect settings, or even environmental factors messing with the true depth camera. In this guide, I'll walk you through some simple solutions that should help you get Face ID working smoothly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable Require Attention for Face ID. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Accessibility. Then tap on Face ID and Attention. Turn on both Require Attention for Face ID and Attention Aware features. If they're already on, try toggling them off and then back on. Solution 2. Reset Face ID. Go ahead and open the Settings app again. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. When prompted, enter your passcode. Now tap on Reset Face ID and confirm the reset. After that, follow the on-screen prompts to set up Face ID again. Solution 3. Update iOS to the latest version. Open Settings once more and scroll down. Tap on General. Select Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and download and install it. Software updates often include fixes for issues that can cause Face ID delays. Solution 4. Check Background App Refresh and Performance. Head back to Settings and scroll down to General. Scroll again and tap on Background App Refresh. Turn off Background App Refresh to help free up system resources. After that, restart your iPhone to refresh the system. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings and scroll down to General. Scroll again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in Face ID performance and have it responding much quicker. Let me know if any of these solutions worked out for you, or if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tips.